Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this money-making video tutorial, I will show you how to earn passive income by clicking on emojis. This is free and available worldwide, a perfect side hustle to help you make money online. You can start making money right now with this free website that I'm about to explain to you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more money. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money, so make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Did you realize that simply clicking on emoticons could result in you earning money? I'm sure you're all familiar with emojis and how they work. By doing so, you can make up to $150 every day, and all you have to do is click on emojis to get paid immediately to your account. Consider how much money you could make by merely clicking on one emoji. The more emojis you have, the more money you can make. Bear in mind that this is a completely free service that can be used in both a smartphone and a computer. If you have one, simply follow along with me as I show you how to do it in under a minute. I'll show you how to create an account and activate it, as well as lead you through a few real-life instances so you can see how to do it correctly. During the video, I'll also give you some more pointers on how to perform it flawlessly and make an extra $500. First and foremost, I'd like you to take a look at the website. You can make money by clicking on emojis on this website. On their website, they have over 3 million vector icons, including a big number of emojis, all of which are free. All of the icons, as well as all of the free photographs and images, are available to download. If I scroll down, you'll find it on this page. I'll show you how we can use them to generate a lot of money online. You can earn money in two ways by just clicking on the emojis. I'll show you how to do it for the first method right now, and then how to do it in the second way at the end of the video. For the first approach, go to the top of the website and click on Become a Contributor. You'll be transported to a flat icon website where you can contribute by uploading and disseminating emojis for a prize. The three basic steps are as follows. The first step is to create the free account, which I'll show you how to do shortly. Then, share and publish your favorite icon sets, including emojis. The third step is our favorite because it allows us to start receiving cash and making money right away. This is the way it works. In general, you'll now join by clicking this button. You'll then be directed to this website where you can register for a free account. Simply fill in your username, email address, and password on this page. Then click the register button. This website accepts transactions from people all over the world. Then proceeds to this page that states we're almost done before clicking the green button to accept the terms and conditions. Make certain you've read all of them. After you've completed step 1, move on to step 2, where you'll create your profile and begin earning money. Uploading your profile photos is the first step. Simply click the browse icon right here and scroll down to contribute additional information about yourself. You can either enter a public username that others will be able to see or leave it blank. If you don't have one, use the down arrow in the nation area to select the country from where you're visiting the website. You are free to utilize English in your professional portfolio and social media accounts, and you can link to any social media account you have. Leave it blank if you don't have any other social media accounts and move on to the next step. We're almost ready to begin uploading photographs in order to generate a large number of clicks and revenue. However, we strongly suggest that you first read the creator's manual. This button will take you to a platform where you can read more tutorials, get more information, and learn more about how to make money on this website. You can just do it, but I'll show you how to do it quickly in this video. Simply click the upload button to begin the procedure, which will transport you to your personal dashboard within your brand new account. You'll be taken to this page after clicking the dashboard link where you can find your username at the top. You can check how many emojis and icon packs you've already published, as well as the daily profits if you scroll down. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Remember, our goal is to collect a huge number of free emojis that we can subsequently use to generate money by uploading them to our website. Return to flaticon.com and scroll all the way down to this link, which will take you to a pattern generator. After that, you'll be sent to this link where you may download free flat icon software to create a variety of designs and patterns with emojis. All you have to do right now is click the Try It Now button, which will lead you to Flat Icon Pattern Generator software's main page. Once again, this is a completely free service that you can use from anywhere in the world on your computer or mobile phone. Step 1 is to hunt for and locate your favorite icon or emoji, which you can do immediately. If you like this icon, simply click it in the icon box to have it appear on the dashboard as seen above. By dragging and dropping it, you may move it around, change its color, size, and rotate it. There are numerous icons and designs to choose from. Another alternative is to use the Packs button to see all of the emojis and unique images that are available for use in your design. Now, we'll return to the emojis and simply click on them to see a range of emojis to employ in your design. Simply follow the steps as suggested. You can also choose from a number of backdrop colors from your public design beneath this icon in the background. For example, if you like the pink design, you can simply click on it to have it appear on your canvas. It's easy to do and doesn't necessitate any technical knowledge or experience. You can save it to your computer or phone for free once you've completed editing. All you have to do now is click the download button and make sure you follow the video's instructions to see the letter. After you've chosen on a PNG format, I'd recommend using 1000 for the power size. Now, regarding image sizes, I'd like you to pick between 4000 and 1000 pixels. All you have to do now is click this button to acquire the patterns after you've chosen on the format and size. You may do this on your phone as well. All that's left for me to do now is publish it and start making money. I'd want to make one more recommendation to you. Select the Search and Random Patterns button right here. And the software will walk you through the process of creating some random designs that are oftenly pretty unprofessional. To see the next set of random designs, simply click on this button again and it will turn and display a variety of random patterns. Everything does not deceive the sight. When you've completed creating your emojis and downloaded them to your computer or your phone, for example, if you enjoy it and can save it to your PC or mobile phone, return to Flat Icon Contributor, sign in to your account, and choose My Icons from the drop-down menu. You can now drag and drop your file into this box after clicking upload, and it will be uploaded to this website. So as promised, I'll show you another way to earn money online by going to Fiverr.com. There are numerous opportunities for you to explore this website. You can do graphic design, text, video, and animation, among other things. As you can see, there are a variety of ways to earn money online. Nevertheless, I recommend focusing on graphic design. When I press this button in the video, it takes me to the section for art and illustration. I'd like you to have a look at this pattern design because it's a brand new category and it's your chance to make money online without putting yourself under any strain. Simply go to this page regarding pattern designs to observe how other merchants from all over the world are already making money by designing and generating new designs. Because this is a brand new market with limited competition, we can put any idea into action right now. Consider the second vendor who is asking 40 or 50% more than the first. Don't worry, people charge and give pricing in a number of methods here. We'll be taken to this website if we click on the seller right here. C charges between 60 and 30 bucks as you can see. Check out these examples of how we may use the free flat icon application to generate new designs and earn money. For a service that involves selecting from a range of pattern designs in the same way over and over again. Even more astonishing in the fact that she has approximately 400 customer reviews. Take a look at the 400 assignments that have already sold to see who the best sellers are and how much each work costs. She'll already made nearly $8,000 on Fiverr by simply designing new patterns for $10 to $20. Patterns that can make with a free flat icon software as you can see. It's actually fairly simple to do so by simply putting the icon in the right place and changing the background color. In actuality, a big number of people are currently using it. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how you can earn passive income by clicking on emoji. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.